Stop doing this. Use this trick. Delete text. Ctrl+1. Click Custom. Type your text. My coworker is adding running total like this. Then I showed him this trick. Select all. Ctrl+Q. Go to totals. Click running total.
Want to try this deliveries trick? Select field. Go to the Insert tab. Click on checkbox. Go to Progress column. Type these formulae. Count if, range, true. / use Kanye, formula. Select the range. Press Enter. Copy down formula. In status column use XLOOKUP formula. Lookup value, comma. Lookup array, comma. Return array. F4, comma. Delivered. Press Enter. Reflect. Now see the result. When you check the checkbox, stop removing backgrounds from images like this. Instead, select Image. Go to the picture format. Click on Remove Background. Mark image areas to keep. Click on Keep Changes.
My nerd coworker created this calendar in Excel.
Bruh.
Let me show you how he did it. Go to the first cell and type this formula. Once you're done, select the range and press Ctrl+1 to format the dates like this. Adjust the alignments and go to conditional formatting and enter this new rule to hide the days that are not part of a certain month. Select gray for the font color, and that's it. Want my 150 Excel shortcuts guide? Comment Excel and I'll send it to you.
Stop doing this. Use this trick. Go to Insert. Click checkbox. Type this formula.